Deep in a blizzard-swept forest, the man is forced to take shelter in an old wooden cabin as the outside temperature plummets to minus 34 degrees Celsius, with winds gusting at nearly 100 kilometers per hour, relentlessly whipping snow against the wooden walls, causing the entire structure to shake. The cabin is cramped, damp, cold, and almost empty, barely providing shelter from the wind, leaving no room for error. Therefore, he must quickly build a fire from the meager amount of firewood remaining. The fire is the only thing keeping his body from going numb, as the cold will penetrate and drain his strength every minute. This is a silent struggle for survival amidst the blizzard, where every action is decisive and the fragile wooden cabin becomes the last line of defense between life and the wild winter.